Eyesight. We get most of the information about the exterior world through our eyes. By the calculations of a researcher, 80% of our memories are stored with the help of eyesight. The role of the eye is to provide us with information in the form of colorful images. Moving it up, down and to the sides helps us see most of the environment surrounding us. Complex eyes can distinguish shapes and colors. The visual fields of many organisms, especially predators, involve large areas of binocular vision to improve depth perception. In other organisms, eyes are located so as to maximize the field of view, such as in rabbits and horses, which have monocular vision. In most vertebrates and some mollusks, the eye works by allowing light to enter and project onto a light-sensitive panel of cells, known as the retina, at the rear of the eye. The cone cells and the rod cells in the retina detect and convert light into neural signals for vision. The visual signals are then transmitted to the brain via the optic nerve. Such eyes are typically roughly spherical, filled with a transparent gel-like substance called the vitreous humor, with a focusing lens and often an iris. The relaxing or tightening of the muscles around the iris change the size of the pupil, thereby regulating the amount of light that enters the eye, and reducing aberrations when there is enough light. The eyes of most cephalopods, fish, amphibians and snakes have fixed lens shapes, and focusing vision is achieved by telescoping the lens, similar to how a camera focuses. The retina contains two major types of light-sensitive photoreceptor cells used for vision, the rods and the cones. Rods cannot distinguish colors, but are responsible for low-light monochrome vision. Rod density is greater in the peripheral retina than in the central retina. Cones are responsible for color vision. They require brighter light to function than rods require. In humans, there are three types of cones: sensitive to long wavelength, medium wavelength, and short wavelength light. The color seen is the combined effect of stimuli to these three types of cone cells. When rods and cones are stimulated by light, they connect through adjoining cells within the retina to send an electrical signal to the optic nerve fibers. The optic nerves send off impulses through these fibers to the brain. Compound eyes are found among the arthropods, which may give either a single pixelated image or multiple images per eye. Each sensor has its own lens and photosensitive cells. Some eyes have up to 28,000 such sensors, which are arranged hexagonally, and which can give a full 360 degrees field of vision. The most common eyesight defects are myopia and hyperopia. Myopia, also known as nearsightedness and short-sightedness, is a condition of the eye where light focuses in front of the retina. This causes distant objects to be blurry while close objects appear normal. Other symptoms may include headaches and eye strain. Severe nearsightedness increases the risk of retinal detachment, cataracts, and glaucoma. The underlying cause is believed to be a combination of genetic and environmental factors. Risk factors include doing work that involves focusing on close objects, greater time spent indoors, and a family history of the condition. The underlying mechanism involves the length of the eyeball being too long, or less commonly the lens being too strong. It is a type of refractive error. Diagnosis is by eye examination. There is tentative evidence that nearsightedness can be prevented by having young children spend more time outside. This may be related to natural light exposure. Nearsightedness can be corrected with eyeglasses, contact lenses, or surgery. Hyperopia, also known as farsightedness and long-sightedness, is a condition of the eye in which light is focused behind the retina. This causes close objects to be blurry, while far objects may appear normal. As the condition worsens, objects at all distances may be blurred. Other symptoms may include headaches and eye strain. People with hyperopia can also experience accommodative dysfunction, binocular dysfunction, amblyopia, and strabismus. The cause is an imperfection in the eye, often when the eyeball is too short, or the lens cannot become round enough. It is a type of refractive error. correction is usually achieved by the use of convex corrective lenses.